Hey y'all, I really like this one. My brother wanted me to make him a wreath, and he likes gnomes, so I decided to try one of those. I think it turned out pretty cute, even though I didn't have any idea what I was doing. I hope y'all like the video. Okay, I was showing y'all what I had bought from the Dollar Tree. Got all those flowers, 2 placemats that I thought looked like fall, a pumpkin, and a witch wreath form thing, witch hat wreath form. I got that ribbon there too that I thought was cute. I decided that I was going to use those placemats to make the hat. So I just hot glued it onto the wreath form in a bunch of places. So hopefully it'll stay real good. I like the colors on the placemat. They're pretty cute. And do that side. And then I have to cut off all the excess down there so it don't hang over in the way. And then do more glue so I can get it all stuck down good. And then I'm using the other placemat for the top of the hat. It took me a minute after I cut it here to realize that I was trying to match it up in the wrong direction. You'll see, here it comes. See, I was trying to match the lines up going the wrong way. I eventually figured it out and turned it over. That worked much better. So I glued that to the other part. And then I got to fold it over and glue it to the wreath form. Easy peasy. I was glad this worked because I didn't have nothing else to use. I hope my brother likes it. I think he will. He likes gnomes, so hopefully he'll like this. He'll see it here soon. I'll send him a picture. Took me about an hour to make it total, but I had to stop in between. I didn't have nothing for the nose, so I had to go to Hobby Lobby. That's the only thing that's not from Dollar Tree is the nose. I looked at Dollar Tree when I bought all the other stuff the other day, but they didn't have nothing that I wanted to use. So I went today, got a wooden nose from Hobby Lobby. There's the hat. It looks pretty cute to me. Now I'm just taking all the flowers off the stems. And gluing the pumpkin to the back of the wreath frame, make the head of my gnome. I didn't bother with painting it or anything because it's going to be covered with flowers. I guess you could if you wanted to, if you're worried about the back showing up. Then I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do, and I realized that I didn't need flowers on that part. But I did get my general idea down anyway. So that was good. I think them flower colors look pretty together. I found those. I'm like, I need something to hold these flowers. That's the legs off of the flamingo I got for my flamingo wreath that I did. My first DIY. I'm glad I saved them. I almost threw them away. And then I decided I was going to put ribbon to be the band of the hat. But I ended up covering it up because I did it wrong. And anyway, you'll see. You can't even see that pretty little ribbon in the end. Oh well, maybe I can use it on something else. I was just trying to get that part of the wreath form covered and make it look more like a hat. It worked, but it's still, I did it wrong. I should have had the nose on first. And I needed wider ribbon. Well, live and learn. This is my first gnome wreath. As you can tell. Then I just started gluing my flowers on, using them little flamingo leg stakes to hold them there. It seemed to work well. So I was glad I had it on hand. There it is, all the flowers glued on. Make the gnome's face. There's my wooden ball from Hobby Lobby. And I glue it on there, make his nose. That's when I realized that it should have went before any of the ribbon. Yeah, so that's why I covered it up with this stuff. I used 4 pieces of this, 2 of this one and 2 of the other ribbon, and put it over his nose, because all the gnomes I see, their hats are pulled down a little bit over their nose, so I thought that was the thing to do. Get that all on there. You might can see them little trucks a little bit through it, but not much. Then I just go around gluing that down everywhere. Pull it to the back to glue it that way so it'll stay in the shape. Cut off the strings. Of course it don't matter. A little bit of strings is okay, because gnomes, you know, sometimes their hats are a little ratty. So I wasn't worried about every little thing, but I wanted them cleaned up a little bit. It looks cute when it's done. I like those ribbons even if they're all stringy and weird looking. Well, now I'm gluing the top down to make it look better. And then I decided I had to do some more on the back. Make it lay down good. I got it all nice and secure in the end. Now I'm gluing all these leaves together to make it easier to put it on the hat up there where I put the 2 placemats together. I thought I needed something to cover that. So that's where I'm putting those leaves. And then I'm going to put flowers beside it. Get some of the green up there. And then I decided to add a red flower in the middle of them. And I think it looks pretty. And that's all. I'm trying to show it to y'all. And then I got a picture coming at the end. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Ain't it pretty?